Slap it. I ride a large Santa Cruz Bronson, all RockShox stuff pretty much. I've warranty upgraded everything because I broke everything that came on the bike except the handlebars. Air pressure, 80 something PSI in the fork and 190 in the shock. 2 tokens in the front and however many came in the back. How much time? Oh, I got I9 wheels too. Sick deal. I got them for 20 bucks. Just the hoops and then full price for the hubs. I think that's it. I'm a lanky guy, so I run a longer stem and higher bars for my long arms. About 25-ish PSI in the tires, both of them, and I have cush core in the back. Oh yeah. That's my favorite pizza, Hawaiian baby. Sushi, doesn't matter where. Could be Asheville, Oak Ridge, or Altoona Creek. Any kind of sushi. We got some right there, actually. Blub, 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 blub. Oh, dude, I can do that.
The mic is in my mouth.
Dude, that's what I do on Xbox with Nick. Dude, this is ASMR. Ooh, that's tough. They're fun. I'm not gonna buy one though. CHAMOIS. I would serve peanut butter and jelly sandwiches with creamy peanut butter, and I would name it the Jammin' Salmon. I don't know.